This is the primary bedroom accent wall, and to start is our mock-up that we created. We took a Pinterest image we liked, flipped it upside down, and then added our own lines using Facebook Messenger. And then I took it into the room and created a more accurate version on the wall using painter's tape. I used green to mock up where our headboard and 2 end tables would go to get the correct dimensions and placement, and then continued along with the 1.5" painter's tape, which is about the same dimension as the MDF boards I'll use in the next step. I used my level and my measuring tape to help find the center of the wall and get the lines as level and even as possible. They're not all perfect, that's why this is a mock-up, but that all gets fixed in the next step. It is great because you can test out the different elements and see if you actually like how they're coming out and make sure that the placement is what you expect in a low risk, low stakes way before you actually begin cutting boards and or painting. So check back in soon and see as I get all the boards up, and then also paint it, which is really the grand finale and looks so cool.